Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, it's been going down, but the way it's been going down makes me think that this is not an impulsive move, meaning that it's not going to go down and take out this low. Looks very, very corrective. We also bounced from the 50% and tried to make an engulfing move up. It hasn't closed up yet, but the daily time frame. If the daily time frame closes engulfing to the upside, we have to realize the trend is up on the daily, weekly, and monthly, and it definitely could go up and take out these highs. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't really have a whole lot of proof that it really is going up yet, but I definitely could make this out to be a possible five waves down for like an A. This could be like almost like a running ABC, a B. This looks like a possible wave C right here. On the daily time frame, it looks like it's trying to respect the 50%. It definitely is pushing up pretty hard. Definitely did give us a little bit of a break of structure. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it does, start making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, there's a big gap down here that has not been filled, but I think that so many traders are going to be trying to trade down to this gap right here. It's probably more likely that it's going to go up and take out these highs and before it makes a run for that gap. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.